Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to create a wiki in Notion, so let's get started. Today, I'll show you how to quickly set up a wiki in Notion, a perfect way to organize notes, team resources, or a knowledge base. Instead of building everything from scratch, we'll use Notion's free wiki templates to save time and get a polished look instantly. Start by clicking the drop-down arrow next to your workspace name in the top left corner, then select Browse Templates. In the search bar, type Wiki and pick a template that fits your needs, whether it's minimalist or made for team collaboration. Click Add, and the template will appear in your workspace with sections, a home page, and a built-in search bar. Now you can personalize your wiki by adding pages, uploading content, changing layouts, and customizing colors or icons. Add a welcome message or logo to make it feel uniquely yours. Notion makes it easy to gradually tweak your wiki as your needs evolve. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.